Alright, this is my LED mirror that's been put up. I'm going to show you some features of it. It actually has a metal framing. I got this from Amazon, and the LED strip actually can change different colors, warm or light. Some of these features right here you can see on the mirror. That's a defog, and then this is actually turning on, off and on the power. If you actually hold the light, the power, it changes the color temperature of the mirror. Pretty cool. I like mine to match with my lights, so I'm gonna keep holding it until it turns the color that I want. Perfect. And when the actual mirror gets fogged up, the middle of it heats up, so therefore when you're trying to shave or do your makeup after a shower, you can see everything. Typically these mirrors are frameless. I don't like that because then it can get chipped, and I like my mirrors to be a little bit higher up from the sink. You're doing washing, water won't get into it or damage your mirror. Alright, the next step is I'm going to show you guys how to wire the mirror. So basically what I did is I used the power source from this light, transferred the wire all the way down, cut a box, and then wired that into the mirror. So that way you don't see any wire coming out of it and plugging it in. None of that. It's all seamless. Look at that. Flush. No gaps at all. Let me turn on the steam so that way you can see the actual fog space and defog space. See how the mirror is fogged up right here, and it's clear right here, you can tell, versus here. Look at now. Pretty nice, right? Woo! Oh yeah. Super beneficial. Alright guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to remove and connect the lighting for the LED mirrors. I'm going to deconstruct this setup so that way you can see how I tap into the power of the light to give the LED mirrors some power. Let's get started. I'm going to use a Milwaukee adapter, give it that right angle. My driver. Make sure for safety, turn off your breaker, please. Let's remove this. Alright, this is my voltage detector. So black is hot. Just want to see if it's still has power. Nothing so far. We're good. There we go. Alright, what I did was basically use a stud finder right here. So basically wherever the light hits, that's the stud. Go all the way down. So there's a stud there. So no studs over here. The oscillating tool, cut the holes up. Use a 14 gauge wire. Fish it all the way down from the top all the way down here. So I use a outlet box that uses no studs. It has a little clip. When you screw it tight, this little fin go against the wall and it tighten in. Wired an extra wire. This one takes 3 because one is ground, one is hot, and one is neutral, which is white. And basically what I did is I marked it. Black line right here with a Sharpie, and then the mirror actually comes with a bracket. Figure out the location, put the bracket in. This is the bracket for horizontal. This is vertical on the bottom. If you get both cables that are white, like you get from Home Depot, just mark one with a color that you want it to be hot on one side, and make sure to follow that same line for the other end, the neutral and the hot. So this one should be hot. Hot, neutral, and then the separate cable is for ground. Line this one up. There's the other two cable. So what I like to do is use these clips that you can find them on Amazon. It's just basically a clip connector. You connect all the cables with it. And then we'll leave one for the light on this side. Let's do the neutral. Give it a little tug. All right, what I'm gonna do is combine all three, which is the ground wire. Look at that. All right, guys, this is my mirror's model number, and it is IP44 rated. So type that in Google and you'll find out. So this mirror came like this with the cable. Actually has the normal plug-in cable with the outlet. I cut the cable and used the adapter. So you get two choices. You can use this adapter or plug into a wall, plug and play. Pretty easy. It's just like the connector that we did for the lights. It connects the black, the white, and the ground together. The black dye Sharpie, that will go with the black. So that's going to connect to here. Use a flathead, tighten it. Match the white with the white. There we go. Make sure it's tight. There you go. The ground. All right, moment of truth. Turn on the lights. Boom, done. So sexy. Woo!